Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the white hull color with the chrome and silver graphics, the standard black rub rail. You can see we have the high split bow rails up front and the standard high rails in the back. We have the rear quarter seats on both sides with removable backrests that slide out. This boat is powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke command thrust motor from Mercury. We have a swim platform to the port side and a telescoping reboarding ladder. The helm seat has an adjustable backrest that has multiple locking positions, and beneath the seat is an optional live well. Here at the helm, we have a 7-inch Raymarine screen, GPS already installed, a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, 2 cup holders on top of the console and charging ports for your devices, in addition to the cup holder next to the throttle. You can see we have the bimini top already installed with black canvas. With the Fusion Bluetooth stereo, the boat comes with upgraded JL audio speakers. There's tackle storage on the starboard side of the console. Moving forward, this boat does come with the fishing package from Boston Whaler, so it has the cooler seat with cushion, padded backrest, and rod holders. We also have the bow cushion option included on this boat. So beneath these 2 sets of cushions, you have 2 anchor lockers, or 2 forward lockers, excuse me, one for your anchor beneath this cushion, and then a fish box that can also be used as a cooler or for dry storage. That's a quick walkthrough of Boston Whaler's new 170 Montauk. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always visit us at marinemax.com. Thank you.